want to deduct it. Well, in actuality, one of these four criteria said that it was really a disguised purchase and sale, or a disguised finance. And the IRS and the FASB said, no, we're not going to let you do that. If you meet any one of these four criteria, then it's going to be treated as a capital lease. Means you're going to record the asset, and you're going to record the liability. And the liability is what are you going to have to pay over the term of this lease? What's the principal you're going to have to pay over the term of this lease? You set up an asset, you set up a liability, and then as you make payments, you pay down the liability as you would any other obligation, and you depreciate the equipment as you would any other asset. So if you meet one of these, you really have a purchase and finance, not a lease. All right, lease term is 75% or more of the assets expected economic life. You have a assets that's supposed to last for 12 years. You lease it for 10. Got a capital lease. Ownership of the asset is transferred to the lessee at the end of the lease. That's very clear. You disguise to purchase, and they'll make you capitalize the asset, set up the liability, etc. Lease permits lessee to purchase the asset at a price that is lower than its fair market value. Now, this fair market value is measured at the termination of the lease. When it's over with, if you go in and buy the asset for something less than what its expected fair market value is, then it's a purchase or financing. You can determine estimated fair market value by looking at similar assets and what are they selling for at the end of the lease or at this age. And then the present value of the lease payments is 90% or more of fair market value asset in the leases. Okay? Present value. What is present value? Well, we might have a way of looking at that. Okay? Looky here, present value concepts. All right. What is something worth today that's going to be received or paid in the future? Okay? If you invest something today at 10% compound interest, in 1 year it'll be worth $1,100. In 5 years, that same amount will be worth $1,610. So what's the present value today of $1,610 at 10%? 5 years. Anybody know? Hey. Anybody gonna take a guess at it? Okay, the present value of $1,610 to be received in